Hey there, gearheads and motorcycle enthusiasts, welcome back to your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. If you're passionate about bikes, the latest in motorcycle technology, and everything Harley-Davidson, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a ride with us. Now, let's dive into the world of Harley-Davidson with a thrilling review of their newest powerhouse, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. Let's hit with the 2026 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S is one of those motorcycles that immediately grabs your attention. Whether you're an experienced rider or a Harley enthusiast looking for the next big thing, the Low Riders takes everything you love about Harley-Davidson and amplifies it to a whole new level. With an aggressive stance, a rumbling engine, and a host of modern features, this bike is built for those who crave power and style in equal measure. But what's new for 2026? What makes the Low Riders stand out from its predecessors and competitors in the market? Let's break it all down, from the looks to the tech, and everything in between. One of the first things you'll notice about the 2026 Low Rider S is its bold and aggressive design. Harley-Davidson has always been known for its classic styling, and with the Low Rider S, they stay true to that legacy while also pushing the envelope. This bike features a low-slung chassis that gives it a mean, muscular appearance. The blacked-out finishes on components like the engine, wheels, handlebars, and exhaust give it that stealthy, tough persona that Harley fans have come to love. The distinctive design cues are all there: the raked-out front fork, the sculpted fuel tank, and the sleek, minimalist look. And for 2026, they've made sure to enhance it with a few new touches that make this bike look even more menacing on the road. It's not just the blacked-out theme that makes the Low Riders stand out, the fit and finish are top-notch. Harley has paid meticulous attention to detail, with quality materials and craftsmanship on full display. Now let's talk about the heart and soul of this motorcycle, the engine. The 2026 Low Rider S is powered by the powerful Milwaukee-Eight 117V twin engine. This engine is an absolute beast, generating plenty of torque and delivering the kind of raw power that Harley-Davidson is known for. With 1923 cc of displacement, the Milwaukee-Eight 117 produces a massive 125 lb-ft of torque. That's more than enough to ensure that you'll have plenty of power for both cruising on the open highway and hitting those twisty back roads with confidence. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, this bike will provide the kind of performance you demand from a Harley. But it's not just about the power. Harley-Davidson has worked hard to balance the performance with a smooth, comfortable ride. The Low Riders features upgraded suspension components, including a set of premium shocks at both the front and rear, allowing the bike to handle bumps and rough terrain with ease. The Milwaukee-Eight 117 is also designed to offer better fuel efficiency and a smoother throttle response, so you can enjoy those long rides without constantly worrying about stopping for gas. When it comes to handling, the 2026 Low Rider S is truly something special. Thanks to its low-slung chassis, it feels planted and stable on the road, even at high speeds. The bike's geometry ensures that it has just the right balance between agility and stability. The extended front fork adds to the bike's confident handling, making it easier to navigate sharp turns and curves, all while keeping the ride comfortable. Harley-Davidson has also incorporated improved braking systems into the 2026 Low Rider S. With dual-disc brakes at the front, the bike stops on a dime, and the added anti-lock braking system ABS ensures that you have maximum control, especially in wet or slippery conditions. In terms of tech, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Low Riders doesn't disappoint. For riders who want more than just the basics, this bike is equipped with an impressive array of features. First up, let's talk about the infotainment system. The Low Rider S comes with a state-of-the-art 4-inch touchscreen display that houses all the essential data you need, like speed, gear position, fuel levels, and more. The screen is also compatible with your smartphone, allowing you to connect via Bluetooth for music, phone calls, or navigation. No need to take your hands off the bars to adjust your settings. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Another tech upgrade is the addition of Harley-Davidson's Reflex Defensive Rider Systems, RDRS, which is an advanced rider safety system. This system includes traction control, cornering enhanced ABS, and linked braking, ensuring that the rider is always in control, regardless of road conditions. And for those of us who love to tinker with our bikes, Harley-Davidson offers a range of customization options right out of the box. The low riders can be tailored with everything from different seat options to various handlebars, exhaust systems, and more. Whether you're looking for a more aggressive stance or a more laid-back ride, there's a customization option for you. Of course, no matter how powerful or stylish a bike is, comfort is key. Harley-Davidson has done an excellent job of balancing the aggressive look of the low riders with rider comfort. The seat is designed to provide plenty of support on long rides, and the ergonomics of the bike are top-notch. The foot controls are positioned for a natural and comfortable riding position, and the handlebars are set to offer a relaxed yet commanding grip. The bike is also equipped with a new set of handlebars for 2026, providing improved rider control without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're out for a short ride or planning to take the low riders on an extended road trip, you'll appreciate how comfortable this bike feels. Harley-Davidson is known for offering riders the opportunity to personalize their bikes to reflect their unique style, and the 2026 Low Rider S is no exception. Whether you're looking for performance upgrades or aesthetic changes, the range of customization options is vast. From aftermarket exhausts that enhance the bike's sound to custom saddlebags, paint schemes, and other accessories, you can make your low riders truly one of a kind. This personalization is one of the main reasons so many Harley riders love the brand. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a canvas for expression. Now, let's talk about the price. Harley-Davidson has always been known for offering premium motorcycles, and the 2026 Low Rider S is no different. The MSRP for this bike is around $21,000, and which places it in the mid to high price range for Harley-Davidson's lineup. But when you consider the performance, technology, and build quality, it's easy to see where that price point comes from. For those who want a Harley that offers both performance and style, the Low Riders is an excellent value. While there are certainly less expensive bikes out there, few can match the combination of power, design, and features that come with this model. So, to sum it all up, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S is an absolute powerhouse. With its aggressive design, impressive engine, and cutting-edge technology, it's a bike that's sure to turn heads. Whether you're an experienced rider or someone looking to step up your Harley game, this bike offers the perfect blend of performance, style, and customization options. It's a bike that not only lives up to the Harley-Davidson legacy, but also takes it to new heights. If you're in the market for a cruiser that gives you a thrilling ride, solid build quality, and the power to back it all up, then the Low Riders should definitely be on your radar. Well, that's a wrap on our deep dive into the 2026 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more awesome content on all things motorcycles. Leave a comment below if you have any thoughts on the bike, or if you have questions. I'd love to hear your opinions. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and keep the rubber side down. Catch you on the next ride.